Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to go over what is Fubo TV and how does it work. So I'm over at fubo.tv and I'll link their webpage down in the video description. If you have interest in signing up for them through my referral link, you can get an extra discount. So essentially, it's a live TV streaming service and they have different tiers of plans that you can look through to see which channels are accessible in your area, but they're going to have things like local channels, regional sports networks, and then a lot of the other networks that you would get with traditional cable or satellite TV like ESPN, Fox Sports, HGTV, Nickelodeon, all different channels like that. And you can check out which channels are available with each package and what will work in your situation. You can see if you subscribe for a month, the first month is a little bit cheaper and then it goes up in price after that. You can cancel anytime, no strings attached. And what you're going to need for Fubo TV to work at your house is first and foremost an internet connection, any TV streaming service that you get, such as Netflix, YouTube TV, Hulu, Disney Plus, Fubo TV. All of these things need an internet connection to work. And you need a TV that has access to the Fubo TV application. So whether your TV is a smart TV and has an app store built into it that you can get access to the Fubo TV app through, or if you have a device that's hooked into your television, such as an Apple TV, a Roku device, Amazon Fire TV, even something like a video game console like an Xbox will work for this. And I'll show you an example of getting this up and running with my Apple TV. I recommend getting an Apple TV if you don't already have one, if you're going to subscribe to Fubo TV for the long term, because currently Apple TV is the only device where you can get multi-view with. So I'm going to take you over to my TV to show you what that looks like. So over at my TV, I have an Apple TV box hooked in with HDMI. So this is what I'm going to use for this example. But there's other ways that you can go about getting the Fubo TV app on your television. I'm going through an Apple TV, but you can go through a Roku device, an Amazon Fire TV, an Android TV box, even a game system such as an Xbox. Or perhaps you even have a smart TV that has apps built into it that you can get access to Fubo TV. But like I said, I'm showing you an Apple TV version, and I recommend this for people that use Fubo TV because you can use multi-view, which is viewing 4 streams at the same time. This is currently the only device that you can access this with Fubo TV. So the Fubo TV app in Apple TV, you can get through the App Store, and this is going to be the case with any device that you're on. Going into the App Store, looking up Fubo TV, downloading and installing that app so you can get access to it. The first time that you launch the Fubo TV app, you're going to need to link up your Fubo account, and then they'll check to make sure that you have a Fubo TV subscription. But at this point, once you're in the app, you can check things out. You can go to the traditional guide to see what that looks like and seeing what you can watch in this area. You can favorite your channels so that the ones that you're more likely to watch show up towards the top. You can also go to the Home tab to get an idea of what's on. It'll have your favorite channels there at the top, what's trending on Fubo TV, some of the other things that it'll recommend to you in this area if you'd like to check that out. You can head on over to the My Stuff area, which is going to have things that perhaps you've recorded, favorite TV shows that you'd like to get recordings for. Your watch list is going to have different shows that you have favorited that you want to have recordings for. If you've watched something halfway through, you can continue to watch it in this area, and also upcoming recordings that you have. And over here on the side, you can look specifically through all the different sports options that are available to you. You can look for TV shows and movies. And if you're wondering how to favorite something so that you can get recordings for it, we can always go up to the search menu up here, enter in what you would like to record. So let's say I'd like to favorite Seinfeld, so I can enter in that up here and select the Seinfeld show. Going down to recording options, and I'm going to have it record all episodes. Of course, I'm not going to have it record just new episodes because there's no new episodes of this series coming out. And if you haven't already added it to your watch list, you can do so in this area. So this is what Fubo TV is going to look like on your television. It's pretty similar to a traditional cable or satellite TV subscription where you're going to get access to all these different live TV channels. You can also add things to your watch list in the guide. So let's say I would want to add The Herd with Colin Cowherd. So clicking on that, and then I can have recording options here. I can add it to my watch list right here, and that's pretty simple to do. So I hope this video is helpful going over what Fubo TV is, how it works, and how you get access to it. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.